Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by selecting an improved shell like ZSH or Fish for better completion. Install a framework such as OhmyZSH or Fisher to manage plugins easily. Add a modern prompt theme like PowerLevel 10K or Starship for concise status information. Use a patched nerd font at 14 to render glyphs and icons reliably. Configure async theme loading and prompt caching to keep startup fast. Test prompt speed and disable slow plugins that raise startup beyond 0. Adjust visual settings in your terminal emulator for clarity and comfort. Pick a color scheme such as Solarized or Grovebox and ensure 24-bit TrueColor is enabled. Choose a monospace nerd font at 14 to 16 point sizes for consistent glyphs. Set line height to 1. 4 and terminal padding to 8px to improve readability. Apply a transparency level around 85% for background blending. Select a beam cursor shape to make the caret easy to track when editing text. Enhance productivity with terminal tools and sensible defaults in your dot files. Run tmux with a compact status bar and set controlla as your session prefix for muscle memory. Add utilities like FZF for fuzzy search, ripgrep for fast recursive search, and BAT for syntax highlighted previews. Configure your shell and editor to advertise 256 color or TrueColor support. Create aliases, key bindings, and a central dot files Git repo to sync settings across machines reliably. Backup and document config changes for reproducibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.